The Dagbomba dance is a traditional dance form that originated from the Dagbomba people of northern Ghana. It is a dynamic and energetic dance form that involves a combination of rhythmic movement, footwork, and hand gestures. The Dagbomba people have been practicing this dance form for centuries as a way to express their cultural identity and socialize with each other. The dance is usually performed during festivals, weddings, and other cultural events. The Dagbomba dance is characterized by its fast-paced rhythms and intricate footwork. The dancers move in a circle, with the lead dancer setting the pace and rhythm of the dance. The other dancers follow the lead dancer's movement and create a synchronized and dynamic display of movement. The hand gestures used in the Dagbomba dance are also an important part of the performance. They are used to convey messages and emotions and to communicate with the other dancers and the audience. The hand gestures are often accompanied by singing and chanting, creating a lively and engaging atmosphere. The Dagbomba dance is more than just a form of entertainment. It is an important part of the Dagbomba culture and a way to connect with the ancestors and history. The dance is often used to tell stories about the Dagbomba people's struggle and triumph, and to celebrate their traditions and way of life. In recent years, the Dagbomba dance has gained popularity outside of Ghana, with dance groups performing at cultural events and festivals around the world. The dance has become a way to showcase Ghana's rich cultural heritage and to promote cultural diversity and understanding. In conclusion, the Dagbomba dance is a dynamic and expressive dance form that is an important part of the Dagbomba culture. It is a way to celebrate their traditions and connect with their history and ancestors. As the dance continues to gain popularity around the world, it serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving and celebrating cultural heritage.